So the neighbors are having some sort of bird rave at their house, and me and Milo are gonna go crash it. Good job. Good job, Milo. All those birds. What is happening? There's birds everywhere. Everywhere. It's an apocalypse. Birds. Birds. Everywhere. Birds. Can you hear that? It's the sound of death. They've already eaten the dog. Birds! 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 Get out of here, birds! You don't get birds! Deep in the Amazon jungle. Birds! Everywhere. To another town to destroy. Birds are attacking! Rest in peace, dog. They eat you too. Starting a fire. No! 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 Infected with a plague. What do you want? What do you want? Discovered! No! Oh my gosh. Patrolling the outside. I can never leave again.